So, if you're facing a Rakuten payment delay issue in 2026, yeah, like your cashback hasn't arrived yet, don't worry. This is very common and usually easy to understand and fix. First, understand that Rakuten pays on a fixed schedule, not instantly. Next, check if your cashback is pending or confirmed. Now remember, stores take time to confirm purchases, which can delay payments. Next, make sure your PayPal or payment details are correct. Now check if you've reached the minimum payout threshold. Next, review your account for any issues or restrictions. Now, confirm your purchases were tracked properly. If your payment is still delayed, contact Rakuten support. Finally, always activate cashback correctly to avoid future delays. And that's it. That's how you fix Rakuten payment delay issues step by step in 2026.